Angie's List, founded in 1995, has become a trusted platform for finding skilled electricians, plumbers, contractors, and other service providers. Users can submit and read reviews, helping them make informed decisions. Over time, Angie's List has expanded its categories and user base. In 2023, Angie Inc., the parent company, had total assets of $1.86 billion US, according to Statista. Creating a website like Angie's List offers numerous benefits for both service providers and customers. The global online on-demand services market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 49.4%, reaching $435.3 billion by 2027. By building such a platform, you can tap into this lucrative market, provide a trusted resource for consumers, boost local businesses, enhance customer experience, and explore various monetization opportunities, such as premium subscriptions and commissions on transactions. To use Angie's List, users sign up on the app or website, choosing either a free or paid membership plan. They search for the required service, sort results by proximity, reviews and ratings, and read detailed comments from previous users. After contacting service providers through the platform, users can make appointments, ask questions, and request quotes. Once the service is completed, users leave a review, rating the provider on factors like pricing, quality, and timeliness. Building a website like Angie's List involves several key steps. Research and planning. Identify your target audience and niche. Determine if you'll focus on general services or specific types like home designers or health services. Analyze competitors like Thumbtack and Home Advisor, conducting a SWOT analysis to understand their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Define your unique value proposition, such as offering more trustworthy reviews or better customer experience. 2. Design and development. Create a visually appealing and intuitive design with a consistent color palette, high-quality visuals, and responsive design. Simplify navigation with clear menu labels, a prominent search bar, and sorting tools. Choose a suitable technology stack like LAMP or Mean, and hire experienced developers. Ensure secure and efficient database management with relational or NoSQL databases, encryption, and regular updates. 3. Content strategy. Define your audience and create a content calendar, focusing on high-quality, relevant content like blogs, videos, user reviews, and guides. Encourage user-generated content, such as reviews and Q&A sections. Optimize content for search engines with relevant keywords, headers, and meta descriptions. Promote content through social media, newsletters, and collaborations with industry influencers. Track performance using tools like Google Analytics and gather user feedback to improve content quality. User registration and authentication. Implement simple registration forms, social media signups, and email verification. Ensure password strength indicators and multi-device access. Use SSL certificates, two-factor authentication, regular security audits, data encryption, and CAPTCHA to enhance security. Business listings and reviews. Allow businesses to create profiles with details like name, address, phone number, email, website, and social media links. Enable service listings with images, prices, descriptions, and categories. Use the Google Maps API for location display and SEO techniques for better search rankings. Implement a user-friendly review system with star ratings, written reviews, user verification, moderation, and sorting options. Enable users to search within reviews for specific keywords.